Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. What we have for today's video, it is our it is a Play by Sephora box for the month of December. And before I carry on with this box, I just want to remind all of you, if you like my videos, please consider subscribing, and if you like what you are watching in my video, please give the video a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. I am wanting to grow my followers, so that is my goal, and anything that you guys do will help me a lot. So let's get into the box. For those of you that don't know about this this Play by Sephora box, this is a monthly subscription and it is $10 a month, and you are set to get 5 to 6 deluxe size items, and I believe they use luxury items in the box. And you do get a bonus, either like a little foil packet, a perfume sample, or those are just the kinds of things that you guys get. This box though does tend to be more skincare heavy than makeup, but you do get a really good variety of things. What we have for the box is you always get a little, or not little, this one's actually pretty big, you always get a little well, again, it's not little, it's big. I'm just so used to saying little for everything, but you get this paper here. They usually have some type of something going on here, not necessarily a theme, but they get a topic, and then that's what they put on here on the front. And then in the back you get your product information. So I don't want to show you the back just because then you get to see what we got. And then you always get your products in a little baggie like this. It's almost just like a thicker Ziploc bag with the Sephora things in the front. So I'm gonna move the box, and we're just gonna get inside and then see what we have. So I'm gonna grab this one first, and there are 2 little foil packets from Amika. It says 3D volume and thickening shampoo. So this one I will for sure give it to my older sister. She needs all the help she can get. She has very thin, fine hair, so I do not need any more volume, and I do not my hair to be any thicker because I just can't anymore. But this is what the little packet looks like. It's just shampoo in here, but that's what it looks like. One is a shampoo and then one is a conditioner. So I think this is considered one item. What else do we have? I'm gonna grab this one. We have something from Wonder Beauty, of course, and it is Lip Retreat. It is an oil, and I'm assuming it's like a lip treatment. I wonder, let me see if there's anything in here, because it even has a tint. Okay, so that is what came out. I just took out a little tiny bit, but that is it there. It does have a tint. It's like, it feels like a lip gloss. So it says oil, but it feels like a lip gloss, and it says Lip Retreat, so I'm assuming this will like if you have dry lips or something like that, it will kind of help replenish the moisture on your lips. So that is our second one. Then up next I'm gonna grab this one here, and it is something from Fresh. It is the Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. I have tried the Rose mask, the facial mask, and it actually made me break out. I think it's because of the rose scent that is in it. But this is what the little container looks like. It's super cute. It's packaged, I think, really nicely. It does. It would look really, really nice. I guess just sitting on your vanity. And wow, it's actually full to the top. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but the product is actually all the way to the top. It's not filled up halfway like a lot of their samples. Like this one, I had to really squeeze the product out of here so I can get this on my finger. You guys saw it was a little tiny bit. But this one is filled all the way to the top. I'm not going to be able to use this one, but I will for sure be able to give it to somebody that can use something with scent. What else do we have in here? This one looks a little bit bigger. It's something from Way, and it's body cream. So this is a whipped body cream. It says renews your skin with nourishing tapuaku butter, hydrating coconut oil, and skin conditioning squalane, whatever that is. But it is a body lotion from Way. Their hair products smell really, really good. So I really want to see what this one smells like, but that is what our little container is, just a clear lid. That's what it looks like. So let me open it and see what it actually smells like. Ooh, that smells really good. So just like I was mentioning with the fresh sample, this one is missing half of it. I don't know if you guys can see inside, but it has like a giant hole in there. But even then, like, I think it's still a pretty good amount. It smells really good. It smells really like refreshing. So I'm excited to try this one. Like I always mention, during the winter, my skin gets really dry. So this will most definitely come in handy. We are down to 2 items. And let me see. Let me grab this one first. We have a mascara from Smashbox. This is a super fanned out mascara. This is the packaging here. And let's see what the wand looks like. Okay, so we have that spiky silicone applicator. That is the color there. It is black. So like I mentioned again, like a bajillion times, I don't usually use these mascaras, but it's nice to have like something other than like Wonder Beauty mascaras that we normally get. We are down to the very last product here, and it is from Dr. Brandt. It is the Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. So this is our little sample. It feels really, really light, so I will be really surprised if we even have anything in here. I think we received the full size in our BoxyCharm box a while back. Yeah, it looks like it's the same one. So this is one that you apply on. Like, this is how much I had to squeeze it so I can get product out, and then barely anything came out. So there's almost nothing in here, maybe like 2 applications at the most. But this is what it looks like. It does look orange. You're supposed to just put it under the eyes. You rub it in, obviously. You rub it in, and then I was reading on the full size one that I have that you are not supposed to make any facial expressions because as it's tightening your under eye, you do not want your skin to have any type of creases, because I'm assuming it can cause like long-term effects kind of. But when you put it on, it is orange because it's supposed to cancel out, or it's supposed to help cancel out any dark circles. And it does feel very refreshing. Like, I can feel it almost like if I applied mint on my arm right here, on my hand right here. That's almost what it feels like. And I've used it before under my eyes. If you try to move your face, it does feel a little bit tight. So you just have to make sure you don't have dry skin. I think it would work best if you don't. Because if not, it would feel, I think, too tight. But of course, you can go ahead and try it out yourself and then see how that feels like. But once it dries out, it does leave a little bit of a hue. So put makeup over it and it will completely disappear. That was the last product from the box. So that is all for me for today. I hope I can hear from you guys down in the comments below what you guys think about this box. We do get a lot of different things in here. It's always different month to month. But let me know what you guys think about this month. Do you guys think it's worth it for the $10 a month? Let me know down in the comments below. So those were all the products from the box for the month of December. So that is all for me for today. I'm all done here, and I hope I will see you guys next time. Bye.